Good afternoon, Indira Shah here. Today let me show you how to make the South Indian special masala vada. Trust me, this masala vada will be very tasty. Anytime you can make it and eat it. See, this is chana dal. Okay, chana dal you need to take, see I have taken 1 cup from this. Okay, you have to wash and then soak it for about 1.5 hours, or till, see, when you do it like this, cut it with your nail, it should get cut easily. Okay, so wash and soak and then remove the water completely. There shouldn't be a little water, and then with that, with chana dal, add about 1 fistful of groundnut seeds. Okay, and then a piece of cinnamon, and then you can add the red chilies according to your taste. Okay, and I have added few green chilies too, 1 or 2 green chilies and a piece of ginger. Okay, so all these things soak for about 1.5 hours, and then check with your nail. If it gets cut into half easily, then it is ready to be done. Okay, then I have taken equal quantity of onion. Okay, onion I have finely cut, and then this is called as sabsige soppu or sabja kirai or dil. In Hindi it's called as dil. See, this is that dil kirai here. This is grown by me. So trust me, this will taste very good. This tastes very nice when you add it with the vada. So now what you should do is, after removing the water, see, it is semi-dry. Now you have to grind it coarse. Do not add a drop of water. So while grinding, add the required salt and asafoetida a little. Okay, now let me grind it coarse. Do not grind it very soft. It will certainly not taste good. Here I have grounded like this. You can see it's a coarsely grounded paste. I have not added water at all. See, it should be dry like this. Now add the onion. See, I have added the onion and this dil soppu. See, this dil soppu, what you call green. This dil you have to wash, cut, and then you have to keep it in a vessel with a hole, because to drain the water completely. There shouldn't be any water in the green in the dil that you have washed. Okay, because if there is any water, then the vada will not be crisp, so it will become soft and soggy. Mix it well. I have already added salt and asafoetida. And if you like garlic, you can certainly add while grinding. See, you have to see, if you press like this, you should be able to do. Okay, you need not soak this for about 10 or 15 minutes. You can do it directly. Now I have kept oil in a kadai. Let me just put on this stove. Here you make balls like this and keep it ready. Then you need to take a plastic sheet or a banana leaf or any leaf. Okay, I have taken betel leaf which grows in my house. So just flatten it. Just take water like this, spread it on the leaf, and then wet your fingers, and then see, it should be this thin. Okay, now the oil has been heated up. Now let me drop it slowly. I have dropped it. Now do not turn it immediately. Okay, so let it be for a moment, and then see, when it becomes pink this side, now you can turn it. Otherwise there are chances of vada breaking. Okay, see, just turn them. Oil should be hot, but at no time it should start giving fumes. Okay? Because what happens when you just drop the vada in very hot oil, the outside portion will become brown, but then inside it will remain raw. So this has to be fried in such a way that it cooks both inside and outside, but yet it is crisp. Now turn this side again. Here, this has become brown, so let's just remove it. Now after removing, wait for another few seconds to drop the second round of masala vada, okay, because the oil would have become a little less heated, so wait for a moment. Here I am dropping the second round of vada. Here, the vada is ready now. I'll just put it in a serving plate and show you. Here, the masala vada is ready. See, it will be so crispy. Here, I put lots of dill, that is sabzi soppu, that is why the color is green. Okay, but will be very tasty and it's very good for health. So please try making this and give me a sincere opinion about this. So this can be prepared anytime. During festivals we prepare, but then we don't add onion. Okay, so please watch my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like and the share button, bell button for notification, because I'm coming up with many more exciting videos. So thank you very much. Bye bye. This is Indira with Vela.